Well, we're here. The dish. Shall we stop recording now? Old focusing cabin. Oh, thank you very much. Oh. This will be Forbes, where they filmed much of the town scenes in the dish. That ute wasn't in the original movie. I can't help but get the feeling that this guy's in the wrong job. This is the second solicitors in the space of a few yards in Forbes. I wonder what that tells us. So, not entirely certain what's going on here. Forbes Green, I suppose you'd call it. That's my wife in the distance. There's a little kind of ceremony of stuff going on there.